phase one. Take out the old furnace. Right. As you can see, I've been having fun this morning. Did the heat pump, took it out. Yep. There's the old furnace right here. Old oil furnace. Drug it through this yard, through here. Got it on here. I forgot my hand trucks. There's the heat pump. There's the blower. There's duct work. Heater coils right in there. There's the old pump for the oil. As you can see, man, my wife, she washed these twice yesterday. She got to wash them again. Got to excuse my little thing here. I was chopping wood the other day and a piece of 4x4 broke off. Come hit me in the eye. All right. About finished. Tony's in there doing some measuring so we can set the new furnace in here and the heat pump. Veteran window service. 864-529-6456. See y'all later. Oh man. Took the old furnace out yesterday. There's a trunk line there. It was an old oil furnace here. Took that out. Over here we got the tied off the power. And now we got our cinder blocks. And we got the flanges that's gonna go on there. And we're got the stuff outside. Getting ready to put that baby right here up underneath the house. So let me hang this back up. That's where we're gonna be working at. There we go. Right, going outside. Crawling. Got my overalls on today. Charging. Got the furnace off the truck. Got our wires. Got the ready to carry this big bad boy up underneath the house. Yeah, we got to put this through that little hole and carry it about 30 feet forward. Then we're going to attach everything together. Right here on the bottom is the heat pump. Yep, the heat pump. See something. It's pretty wild. get this sucker out. I'm pushing my back. That was old. Whew, gotta wire this baby up.